today. Before I start, I'd like to thank Caitlin and Sean and a couple of other boys and girls who helped me to set up my computer today. We had a few problems, so I appreciate their assistance with that. That was excellent. As Dr. Tebman said, I'm from Gold Coast Water, and I'm here today to assist you with your upcoming or ongoing studies about building a better future, and in particular about looking at the issues of water management and the health of our rivers and waterways on the Gold Coast, but particularly in this region, particularly in what we call the Pimpama Coomera region. Now, I've got quite a few slides. You'll be about as good as I am, which isn't very good. So what I'm going to try and do today is to help you along the way by pointing out some key terms and key principles and things that you really should note down. I know how diligent the students are at Coomera Anglican, and I know some of you will try and write down every word on every slide. That's not always the best way to go. So if I do my job properly, I'll be able to point out some key points for you. Water is a big issue in Australia and on the Gold Coast in particular. It's a big issue for all sorts of reasons. Some of those might be related to our climate. Most scientists will tell you that they think the climate is changing, there's a climate shift, and that we might not have as much rainfall in some parts of Australia and some parts of the world in the future. So that's a big issue that we've got to be concerned with, because we all need water to survive. One of the other issues that we face on the Gold Coast in relation to water, along with climate change, is population. And if you can see my slide, and I hope you can, that doesn't look too bad, we can see that our population at the moment on the Gold Coast is around about 480,000 people. So that's today, 2009. But in the next 50 years, that population will more than double to 1.2 million people. And this is a really important fact. So that's a key word. An important fact is one of those ones you should be writing down. Is an important fact that drives the way we're going to manage our water in the future. 14,000 new people come into the Gold Coast every year. You might be the Gold Coast. And also 10 million tourists a year that come here. And they all want to clean their teeth, and they all want to have a shower and do all those other things. So they're very important